Want quick and easy access to your favorite websites just like apps on your Windows desktop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install web apps on Windows either using Chrome or Edge. This trick turns your favorite websites into standalone apps with custom logo and name. Ready to make your web experience a whole lot smoother? Let's dive in. Let's start with the Microsoft Edge. I search Edge, Microsoft Edge appear for me. If in here I just simply type YouTube. You can do this on any websites that supports web apps. Okay, in here you will see app available, install YouTube. If you hit in here and press on install, the app it will be installed on your desktop, and if you click on it, you can use this YouTube app on the desktop. If you click on these three icons, if you don't see this part, if you click on the three icons, in here apps, install YouTube. You can simply install it. For example, let's try it with another website, Amazon. I simply search Amazon. Okay, in here I press on these three dots, apps, install these sites as an app. I press on install. If I want, I can change this icon. And if I want, I can change even the name of it. I set it as Amazon and press on the install. As you can see, this web app's installed. In here, I will see few things. If I pin it on my taskbar, I will see it on my taskbar like this at the Premiere, After Effects, and Photoshop. And if I hit, I let this pin to start enable, I will see this on my start part. I actually don't really need that on my taskbar. I disable it and I let it be on my start button. If you want, you can create a desktop shortcut of that. I actually disable taskbar and the start button and enable the desktop shortcut. And the final one is auto start on device login. It means that when you turn on your Windows and log in into your account, this app, it will be launched. It will be auto start up apps. Something like this. No one likes them. Disable them. And hit on yellow. As you can see, I will see the Amazon logo. I have these Amazon apps on my desktop. I click on it and right now I can easily go to Amazon apps. Let me tell you a note. If you open Task Manager, I will see this Amazon app. As you can see, this one is enabled. Let me open to see more options. And I will also see Microsoft Edge too. If I disable Microsoft Edge, if I right click and press on end task, this Amazon app that we actually have, it will be closed like this. Because the core of these Amazon apps and Amazon web app is Microsoft Edge. When Microsoft Edge is running on my task manager, running on my device, I can use this Amazon app. But when we press on end task on Microsoft Edge, we won't see this Amazon app. As you can see, when I launch Amazon, Microsoft Edge launches too. So how to delete these apps? Just simply go to the settings. In settings, go to the apps. In here, you will see installed apps. Adobe, Amazon. This is the Amazon. And it just types the website URL in here. The size of that is pretty low. There's not even 1 megabyte. I press on more options. If you want, you can uninstall it. You can move it, into another drive. I don't know why we need to move it into another location except our C drive, but if you want, you can do it. And if you hit on the advanced options, on these more options, you will see the publisher Amazon, version, data, and the total usage. If you scroll more, you will see reset, repair, and press on uninstall. You can also uninstall it from this location. I hit on the uninstall and I press on uninstall. But okay, all done. With this way, we can uninstall these kind of apps. Let's dive into Chrome. I open my Chrome browser. I press on these three dots, cast, save, and share. In here, I will see that install page as app. I hit on that. I can simply change the name of that and say and type it Amazon Chrome. Okay. On Google Chrome, we can't change that icon. This option is disabled. And I hit on install. Right now, we will see this Amazon app on desktop too. Okay, after we install that, we will see a notification that shows us, would you like to set this Amazon app pinned on our taskbar? If you press on yes, it will be pinned on taskbar. If you press on no thanks, it won't be pinned. I hit on the yes. Okay, that one is pinned. It means that if I close, I will see that one in here, and I also have a desktop shortcut on this part. Okay, the Chrome didn't add it on the start part. Okay, if we want to unpin it from the taskbar, right click and press on the unpin. And when we launch it, we will see my profile picture at top right of this Amazon logo icon. When you open the task manager, you won't see Amazon app when you install it with the Google Chrome. And if you disable Google Chrome, this tab it will be closed. But for Microsoft Edge, you'll see the app and you'll also see the Microsoft Edge browser tasks. If you disable Google Chrome, this Amazon it will be disabled. I press on end task. All of the tabs that I have are end. Just this. I forgot to tell this to you. You can also use your extensions with these methods. You'll see the extensions. You can use them with these methods too. You can also use it on the Google Chrome and you can also use it on Microsoft Edge. Browser is not different. The whole system is simple and as like this. You can do it with many websites. I just wanted to try it with Amazon. You can do it with Uber. I don't know, with Temu, Shopify, lots of websites. All done. If you like this type of content, don't forget to press the subscribe button and like this video. If you want, you can watch this video too. On that one, I'm going to tell you how you can play PS1 games on your Android device. See you at the next one.